Welcome to Future Dr. NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 6, Electromagnetic Induction. Let's move to question number 1. The magnetic flux linked with a coil is given by the equation phi equal to phi t square plus 3t plus 16. The magnitude of induced EMF in the coil at the 4th second will be dash. Formula is EMF induced E equal to d phi by dt. And phi is given phi t square plus 3t plus 16. Then d phi by dt is, we differentiate this, d phi by dt, phi t square differentiate, then 10t plus 3t is just 3 plus 0. Okay, so E equal to 10t plus 3. The magnitude of induced EMF in the coil at 4th second, when t equal to 4 second, then E4 equal to 10 into 4 plus 3. How much? 43 unit volts. Okay, and this is not magnitude of EMF induced in the 4 seconds. 4 seconds only 43. 4th second means you should find E3 also, that is at t equal to 3 second. At t equal to 3 second, E3 equal to 10 into 3 plus 3. How much? Equal to 33 volt. The difference of these two, that is only 4th second. Then E at the 4th second is equal to 43 minus 33. How much? 10 volts. That is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 2. A circular disc of radius 0.2 meter is placed in a uniform magnetic field of induction 1 by pi Weber per meter square in such a way that its axis makes an angle of 60 degree with B. The magnetic flux linked with the disc is dash. Formula is magnetic flux phi equal to BA cos theta, and B is given 1 by pi, and A is given circular disc, so pi r square. Pi into r square is 0.2 square. Cos theta, theta is 60 degree, cos 60 equal to pi getting cancelled, 0.2 into 0.2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. This getting cancelled, 0.1. So 0.02 unit is Weber. That is phi equal to 0.02 Weber. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. As a result of change in the magnetic flux linked to the closed loop shown in the figure, an EMF V volt is induced in the loop. Work done in taking a charge Q coulomb once along the loop is dash. This just we can apply same formula. That is a potential V equal to, that is a work done per unit positive charge. So from the W equal to means V into Q. That things directly we can apply. That is A, option A, Q. Question number 4. Total charge induced in a conducting loop when it is moving in a magnetic field depends on dash. Q equal to integral I dt. That is we know formula. And I equal to E by R. So integral E by R into dt. And E equal to d phi by dt. That is the rate of change of magnetic flux. And Q equal to 1 by R I am taking out into integral d phi by dt into dt. This dt getting cancelled, then Q equal to 1 by R into integral d phi. Integral d phi is nothing but total change in magnetic flux. That is option C. So Q depends only on d phi only. Total change in magnetic flux. Let's move to question number 5. A wheel with 20 metallic spokes, each 1 meter long, is rotated with a speed of 120 rpm in a plane perpendicular to a magnetic field of 0.4 Gauss. Then the induced EMF between the axle and rim of the wheel will be dash. 1 Gauss is given 10 power minus 4 Tesla. Then formula is E equal to half into B omega L square. 1 by 2 and B is given 0.4. Gauss is into 10 power minus 4 into omega. Omega is 2 pi F. 2 pi into 2 into pi, that is 3.14 into frequency is 120 rpm, that is a rotation per minute, convert into second. So by 60 into, what's the remaining thing? L square. L is 1 meter square. 1 square. Then simplify this. 2 getting cancelled and 60 122. And we simplify this, we will get E equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 volts. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 6. Eddy currents are produced when dash. That is, eddy currents are produced when a metal is kept in a varying magnetic field. That is, a metal moving conductor kept in a varying magnetic field, eddy currents are produced. That is, option A is the correct answer. Let's move to last question. A 100 millihenry coil carries a current of 1 ampere. Energy stored in its magnetic field is dash. E equal to half L I square. That is half into L is given how much? 100 millihenry. Yes. L is 100 millihenry. 100 millihenry convert into Henry 10 power minus 3 into I. I is 1 square. This gives 5 times 250. Then E equal to 50 into 10 power minus 3. That is equal to 0.05 unit joules. So option C. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you, students. So in next session, we will see through next chapter in this problem solving session. Thank you.